Hello, astrophiles from all over the world. My name is Luis Miguel Azorin, and I welcome you to Astro Academy, your YouTube channel, your podcast, and your online academy about what we are passionate about: astronomy, astrophotography, and everything related to the universe and space. We have reached December, the last month of this year 2024, and we are launching a new section on the channel, the Ephemeris section, which we will bring to you promptly every month with the news of the night sky regarding observation and astrophotography. Here we go. December 2024 is packed with meteor showers, conjunctions, and even planetary occultations. Stay until the end of this video because I am going to show you how to make the most of each of these events. Let's start with the moon. On Sunday, December 1st, we have a new moon, ideal for deep sky observation and astrophotography. On December 8th, we will have a waxing crescent moon. And on Sunday, December 15th, the moon will reach its full phase. From this moment on, it will enter the waning phase and will rise increasingly later into the early morning. On December 22nd, it will be in the last quarter. And on December 30, it will be in the new phase again. Let's move on to one of the highlights of the month, the meteor showers. And this December, we will have two meteor showers: the Geminids, the most powerful meteor shower of the year, and the Ursids. The Geminids, the most powerful meteor shower of the year, will peak between December 13th and 14th. Although this year, the proximity of the full moon will make observation very difficult. If you still feel encouraged to try, I remind you to direct your gaze and your camera towards the constellation of Gemini. Here, I leave you a video showing how I photographed them last year. Ursids will be visible from December 17th to 26th, peaking on December 22nd. They are less intense and more complicated than the Geminids, but perfect for those who enjoy astronomical challenges. To detect them, you should point your gaze and your camera towards the constellation of Ursa Minor. We continue with conjunctions and planetary events. On December 4th, we will have a beautiful conjunction between the Moon and Venus. On December 7th, we will have the king of the solar system, Jupiter, in opposition. It will be its moment of maximum proximity to Earth, and therefore the best time of the year to observe and photograph it. On December 8th, we have the main event regarding planetary phenomena, with an occultation of Saturn by the Moon. The only problem is that it will be an event restricted only to observers in the region of Indonesia, Japan, Eastern Philippines, and northeastern Papua New Guinea. On December 25th, we conclude with the elusive planet Mercury at maximum western elongation. Its observation at dawn can be the crowning touch for those night owls on Christmas Eve. December 21st marks the winter solstice in the northern hemisphere and the summer solstice in the southern hemisphere. The solstice is the day with the shortest or longest hours of light of the year, depending on the hemisphere you are in. This December can be an ideal month for astrophotography. Are you one of those who take vacation at Christmas? The moon in the waning phase 1, the second new moon on December 30th, will be ideal for deep sky astrophotography, as long as the weather permits. In addition, we will enjoy the longest nights of the year in the northern hemisphere to photograph the incredible winter night sky. Are you more into night photography? Although at this time of year we don't have the galactic center in sight, we do have the Orion Arm present throughout the night, a much fainter band of the Milky Way, but just as spectacular due to the presence of the Orion constellation. A much less seen photograph of the Milky Way. I remind you that you can plan these types of sessions with apps like PhotoPills or Planet. And that's all for this December 2024. Do you like this type of section on this channel? Do you think it can help you? Tell me below in the comments, and don't forget to let me know which of all these astronomical events you won't miss. See you again in the next video of Astro Academy.